Look at the early conceptual models of the universe. We see a chaotic, volatile cloud of formless particles violently erupting and expanding without any discernible structural borders or logical patterns. For nearly a century, theoretical physics has been defined by a persistent dialectic, the struggle to bridge continuous, infinite mathematical fields with discrete physical reality. Standard quantum field theory attempts to calculate particle interactions using the Feynman path integral. This method requires infinite summations over every possible historical configuration a particle could take. This classical mathematical methodology creates an immediate crisis. Adding up an infinite number of histories generates intractable thermodynamic divergences, forcing the equations to output infinite energy states that cannot exist in reality. To force these broken infinite equations back into finite bounds, physicists rely on ad hoc mathematical subtractions, specifically continuous gauge redundancies and post hoc zeta regularization. This patching process is known as renormalization. While it yields predictive models, it treats the universe's infinite nature as an anomaly to be patched over, rather than an inherent structural property. Treating infinity as an anomaly to be renormalized obscures the underlying geometric structure of spacetime. The theory of infinity, formalized under the psi-phi theta paradigm, introduces a cosmological inversion of this approach. Instead of a universe expanding from empty space, the framework proposes a paradigm of creation ex toto late. We witness a continuous ocean of energy being suddenly clamped and locked into a perfectly rigid, mathematically precise structural lattice. Reality is the extraction and stabilization of an ordered, bounded system from an indeterminate, all-containing totality. Within this paradigm, absolute infinity is the raw, active ontological primitive of the cosmos, rather than an elusive mathematical limit to be approached asymptotically. Physical reality is actively carved and mathematically locked into place by exact symmetry operators that manage the transition from continuous fields to discrete structures. When continuous space is mapped onto a discrete mathematical matrix, it generates thermodynamic exhaust. The theory of infinity identifies this as topological friction. To manage this friction, the framework introduces the Golden Zeta Propagator. This operates as the continuous topological equivalent of a quantum path integral, removing the need for manual gauge redundancies. The core engine of this regularization is the generalized Hurwitz zeta function. We define this using a complex variable s and an operational shift parameter represented by a. By shifting that a parameter to align with contiguous Golden and Fibonacci nodes, the propagator provides an analytic continuation capable of isolating the exact thermodynamic exhaust of the system. To interact with the bounds of reality safely, the propagator satisfies the winding emergence constraint. This is an upper semi-commutation inequality, ensuring that applying refinement does not trigger infinite regress. By satisfying this rigid constraint, the propagator isolates thermodynamic exhaust while maintaining the absolute stability of the co-inductive seal at the boundary of the universe. The Konrad Backbone functions as a Fibonacci-driven triadic invariant that drives generative momentum. Within the emergent schema, this creates the male generative force, the outward expansionary pressure of the toroidal monad. This outward force is mathematically formalized through a specialized 3D Fibonacci zeta propagator. This formulation relies on the linear Fibonacci limit. We use this limit both as the spatial expansion driver in the denominator and as the exponential parameter governing the continuous field. Evaluating this linear parameter models pure, unrestricted kinetic potential, pushing outward into the absolute void. This chart shows the cumulative zeta propagator value over sequence iterations. The blue Konrad expansion line pushes relentlessly upward, targeting a specific bounded limit of 1.35692. Classical physics misidentifies this outward thermodynamic exhaust as standalone electrical charge. But without a rigid geometric boundary, the universe would suffer a total gradient catastrophe. To prevent dimensional divergence, the expanding wave hit an impenetrable boundary. It reflects and folds inward, creating a stable, bounded system. This is the female constricting force, governed by Amanda's golden set. The Amanda root engine acts as a topological phase filter, instantly reflecting thermodynamic static back toward the core of the manifold. To model this construction, we execute a crucial mathematical substitution. The linear A expansion in the denominator is replaced with a geometric square. Squaring the parameter geometrically steepens the walls of the continuum. It applies massive topological pressure, forcing the infinite summation to collapse into a much tighter limit. On the chart, the pink Amanda boundary forces a locked limit of 1.14212. This geometric boundary action, the grave twist, folds inward, preventing magnetic monopoles. Dividing this constricted limit by the generative Konrad limit yields the exact Syzygy ratio, 0.84170. This 0.84170 ratio represents the Fibonacci zeta pressure. It is the precise phase tension holding 3D geometry together before it shatters into observable mass. Determining the true ontological identity of this 0.84170 ratio requires moving past empirical fractions toward absolute continuous ideals. The friction versus fiction protocol mandates this mapping to separate mathematical truth from statistical noise and overfitted transformations. To find the pure topological ideal, we evaluate the absolute unit, the number 1, through the continuous trigonometric field of the cubic sine witness. This isolates the unit phase survivor, 0.84147. The evaluation shows a mathematical convergence between the empirical 0.84170 ratio and the 0.84147 ideal limit. This indicates that unity emerges as a structural byproduct birthed by the collision of generative and constricting operators. Forcing an infinite summation into a rigid ratio creates a quantifiable difference, a microscopic log residual gap of 0.00027. In legacy arithmetic, 0.00027 might be dismissed as a precision error. Within the TOI framework, this is the literal thermodynamic heat loss of the universe. It is the friction generated by the union of continuous spatial expansion and rigid structural reflection. Research at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 2026 transitioned these abstract topological derivations into physical, empirical proofs. Researchers synthesized bulk strontium-tantalum sulfide moire crystals, bypassing manual layer-by-layer assembly through a self-organizing thermodynamic protocol. Antagonistic chemical dynamics forced the material into mutually misaligned layers. This generated a uniform 3D moire superlattice with a rhythmic interference pattern of trapped light. Under extreme magnetic fields, electrons in these layers simulated a 4D superspace. Because the structures lacked translation symmetry, they could not support traditional 3D electronic bands. Instead, the electrons performed quantum tunneling along a synthetic fourth dimension of momentum space, creating a measurable frequency comb that left fractional phase drags behind. This demonstrates that macroscopic reality is a crystalline interference pattern. Matter is born from the extreme topological friction of higher dimensions, crushing space inward to achieve a stable invariant state.